Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and picking the exact dataset you need. Once signed in, open the Gemini Trends view and choose region and timeframe. This narrows noise and boosts relevance. Next, enter 2 5-seed keywords and add comparison terms so you can spot divergence. Make sure to set category filters to reduce unrelated results. This first step establishes a clean input set so subsequent analysis yields actionable trend signals rather than generic chatter. Once you have seeds, dive deeper. Apply region, device, and category filters to isolate meaningful patterns, because geography and platform often change trend shape. Then enable rising queries and interest over time charts so you can see momentum and seasonality. This helps you distinguish spikes from sustained growth. If you need precision, export the data or connect the API for smoothing, moving averages, and cross-correlation. Make sure to compare against baseline terms to avoid mistaking noise for a trend. You finish by generating clear visuals and setting alert thresholds so you catch changes early. Once done, validate signals against social media, news sources, or your internal KPIs to confirm the trend is real and actionable. Save dashboards and snapshots for reporting and repeatability. If results seem off, make sure to refresh or clear cache, broaden the time frame to include baseline behavior, and recheck filters. These fixes usually resolve mismatches and prevent false positives before decisions are made.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.